A share endlessness value equivalent to $8.6382 a coin. The present exchanged cost range. $8.0895, $8.8019. The earlier day close. $8.1811. The change was plus 0.4571, plus 5.59%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Axes. A share limitlessness estimate for April 2024. At the outset cost at $6.80. Excessive cost 8.38, while low cost 6.80. The normal for the month $7.45. A share vastness cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.83, change for April 15.1%. A share vastness cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $7.83. Exorbitant cost 9.72, while low cost 7.83. The normal for the month $8.62. A share limitlessness cost figure toward the month's end $9.08, change for May 16. Initially cost at $9.08. Excessive cost 9.76, while low cost 8.48. The normal for the month $9.11. A share limitlessness cost figure toward the month's end $9.12, change for June 0.4%. A share limitlessness cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at $9.12. Excessive cost 10.14, while low cost 8.82. The normal for the month $9.39. A share limitlessness cost estimate toward the month's end $9.48, change for July 3.9%. A share limitlessness estimate for August 2024. Before all else cost at $9.48. Exorbitant cost 10.23, while low cost 8.89. The normal for the month $9.54. A share boundlessness cost figure toward the month's end $9.56, change for August 0.8%. A share boundlessness cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $9.56. Excessive cost 10.56, while low cost 9.18. The normal for the month $9.79. A share boundlessness cost conjecture toward the month's end $9.87, change for September 3.2%. A share endlessness conjecture for October 2024. In the first place cost at $9.87. Exorbitant cost 10.91, while low cost 9.49. The normal for the month $10.12. A share limitlessness cost figure toward the month's end $10.20, change for October 3.3%. A share vastness cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $10.20. Exorbitant cost 11.07, while low cost 9.63. The normal for the month $10.31. A share limitlessness cost figure toward the month's end $10.35, change for November 1.5%. A share limitlessness figure for December 2024. At the outset cost at $10.35. Excessive cost 11.42, while low cost 9.92. The normal for the month $10.59. A share vastness cost gauge toward the month's end $10.67, change for December 3.1%. A share endlessness cost expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at $10.67. Exorbitant cost 11.78, while low cost 10.24. The normal for the month $10.93. A share boundlessness cost figure toward the month's end $11.01, change for January 3.2%. A share endlessness figure for February 2025. In the first place cost at $11.01. Exorbitant cost 13.66, while low cost 11.01. The normal for the month $12.11. A share limitlessness cost estimate toward the month's end $12.77, change for February 16.0%. A share limitlessness cost expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at $12.77. Excessive cost 14.13, while low cost 12.29. The normal for the month $13.10. A share boundlessness cost figure toward the month's end $13.21, change for spring 3.4%. A share limitlessness gauge for April 2025. At the outset cost at $13.21. Excessive cost 14.70, while low cost 12.78. The normal for the month $13.61. A share boundlessness cost estimate toward the month's end $13.74, change for April 4.0%. A share endlessness cost expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at $13.74. Exorbitant cost $15.29, while low cost $13.29. The normal for the month $14.15. A share boundlessness cost figure toward the month's end $14.29, change for May 4.0%. A share vastness conjecture for June 2025. First and foremost, cost at $14.29. Exorbitant cost $14.29, while low cost $11.80. The normal for the month $13.27. A share vastness cost conjecture toward the month's end $12.69, change for June 11.2%. A share endlessness cost expectation for July 2025. To start with, cost at $12.69. Exorbitant cost $12.69, while low cost $9.91. A share limitlessness cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.66, change for July 16.0%. A share limitlessness conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at $10.66. Excessive cost $13.24, while low cost $10.66. The normal for the month $11.73. A share vastness cost conjecture toward the month's end $12.37, change for August 16.0%. A share vastness cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at $12.37. Exorbitant cost $15.35, while low cost $12.37. The normal for the month $13.61. A share boundlessness cost figure toward the month's end $14.35, change for September 16.0%. A share endlessness figure for October 2025. In the first place, cost at $14.35. Exorbitant cost $17.82, while low cost $14.35. The normal for the month $15.79. A share vastness cost conjecture toward the month's end $16.65, change for October 16.0%. A share boundlessness cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $16.65. Excessive cost $20.66, while low cost $16.65. The normal for the month $18.32. A share limitlessness cost gauge toward the month's end $19.31, change for November 16.0%. A share limitlessness gauge for December 2025. At the outset, cost at $19.31. Excessive cost $23.97, while low cost $19.31. The normal for the month $21.25. A share